say no, you will be a friend of special delegates conference.
That's right.
Say a Kwabena say yeah, Kwabena fa kratano. You close nominations near Buru Enuma. Nature say special delegates conference no a betnasi. No mat asoniso. Na eje nipa num.
Okay.
So mo mbefem they say league I can say top 4.
Top 4.
They top 5.
Top 5.
Top 5 no. And a beko to the main election. MPP so yen shisha. In fact, it is the closest you can get to one man, one vote, which I think eventually, and no na SE na ye aspire ye dream set that as a basso as soon as practicable. They say we say over 39,000 or so polling stations.
39,000, yeah,
around the country. MPP ni party, every polling station or executives enum. It's the most well organized party perhaps on the African continent. Right to that unit of political activity, polling station or executives. Yes, some electoral area coordinators almost share a certain number of polling stations depending on how the geographics of the area is. And that constituency executives. Okay, can you well over 200,000 delegates. Twaba no. Na womu esia hene for pa ne womu ofom because womu make up about 94% of the elect.
Of the more than 200,000.
Yes. Womu ne does multiply 39,000 by 5.
You can see that huge number.
Inti electoral area coordinators no so do so kakra but womu ye thousands. Ena oka womu nyina bom ene constituency executive 17 no. Any regional executives and national executives are just almost about 6,000. Inti na debia kase esia hene for ne omo. So because yayan she shares special delegates no, according to the party's constitution no, the 275 constituency chairman. No man to abo. Any the 272 regional executives. These are the two big
the chunk of
then the other major group here, members of parliament. Omunyina to say you 137.
That's right.
Minim say bema yenuana ajano or kind
so no so abemwa.
Minim say party be allow but say 137 say 138. This is another large chunk. And what you know, you'll be a friend of regional representatives to the National Council.
Okay.
Every 5 constituencies be elected one rep, the National Council. The National Council no, is the second highest decision-making body of the party, aside of Congress. And the Congress they endorse until the year, until Assembly or na emergency. A National Council no, it may take decisions on behalf of Congress sometimes. Almost one by 60. And here one penny for so a council of elders. And no constitution, no chile so as one man 30. Minim says it's 30, but according to the constitution, we are supposed to have 30 council of elders members. Almost so almost to be. And now, and then the book in the Bible may jaw me come. I can't watch them. Those who signed the initial registration of the party at the Electoral Commission in 1992.
SOMPA 93.1.
Normally 123. So that tiasia. Kakra. Ewo.
Menina nipa 192.
23.
123.
That first no near 110 districts.
Okay. Okay.
District BIE nipa bako.
And omoko sign or Electoral Commission.
You have to sign. Yes.
Agyei too mu say your party way.
Book no have small be non family Dakar. And na region bia so na 10 regions. So the 10 so
okay
count na 120. And na the 3 principal officers at the time. PJ Darocha, chairman of the party. General Secretary Agyei.
That's right.
And a treasurer Hackman Nipa 123.
Ubia signature.
Also. BJ Darocha obewu onyiye no frame nya for nothing no frame who say Kwabena Brante what the party assume one from also the idea ba ku jame ne copy of the document no
what the man
or the mommy.
Wow.
Me call be general secretary and saying me should share as me original no. I mean, into me ye copies ni bi 3 edija party headquarters, but I've kept a copy. Nti omo sign na ebitias me kodru bro for Bruno is penny back with friend Mr. Boahen no ye kentampo secretary
Okosan bi
o sign bi say wanyini enso obae.
Wow.
Na ni je so because o ka kire me asem o ka so na areho say obia mebusa na sida
hey
o kentampo nkro o tese mpanimfo back kentampo enso so ye musa na se ti o tese secretary no regional secretary friend so omra techima mehia me no kase bia wa ye mistake kentampo to techima so mu akakraja akra ompeni ho asem to she da busa secretary say na o ye sure say ya friend me say memra no so letter no ewum me so ansa na meko ba bia me tro letter
e de command
regional chairman de ni die ma won e bisa won esre won say me pe ekwan me pe akwanya na matimi abare
nti mabuna omo MPP mo mu ni masem we
senti na ne eturo bia esemeka na omote so document american
yeah any me go dey have to say
application for registration of a political party interim national electoral commission that time na interim we nyama soja for na first Rollins tie so den okrom ha say ntusha signatories no nyina na wo ha no bebre bo nse to BJ Darocha de ni
wow
Agyei ni Boatin de ni Hakman so signature ni
Hakman was my now council of elders
nti nipa ni bebre omo nyina
signature bebre sutiase
ti wo mo so timi to aba no ma eyeye ukeka omo nyina ebo ma international branches so say at the last count minim se ebia beka ho na 25 diaspora branch omo wa amanone omo so betu nipa miensa 2 years 75 delegates and there were 3 wings of the party. First na here 4 women's wing, youth wing, Nasara wing. Na first na Nasara no na you were young executive forum na it was
very powerful.
Recognized as a wing. A kwan fa so a yi din free mu de e ade amante ase da but mechirem kakra wa ha
SOMPA 93.1
nti wom so de nipa miensa 9 ba be ka of course national officers, former national officers to say me say yes we are to be president, former president, vice president almost to be what can you na boma menyini say ebro 900 nti nipa kakra be bom so na da party na no wom ne behwe yi nyina se so far nam se menyini te nipa be motwe asenkro na yi ti se yinya agro ya ebedi no ma atete so ma bedru 5 na 5 na chiri no fina ya be call the main contest nti me by there me fra minim se eye chairman fo nkwa ne to aba no nanso so wo ye chairman na wo teacher fo bi o secretary is very important. We share the structure of the party organization. Or no cry na tem beyond the I say office.
I say training.
Sanity ya to din so you man bro.
He's the CEO actually.
That's right. And but in our constitution there, yeah, constituency chairman or executive chairman. They should be hands on. And our organizer, women's organizer. And of course, youth organizer and a national coordinator to deal with the issues of migrants near the particular area. Intime ko baby the French chairman me se fa wonipa enumui count na momra ni nikita ho de me ye no so me ye no se town hall meeting ti me nkonko kasa nkyere on keke me mo abakosem kakra na ma call into a question and answer session.
Okay.
Omo wasem bisa bia.
Omo busa na wa ya.
Me gidi sese wo pese wo ye leader. Titrani your life has to be scrutinized and examined. Because baby I bedru Ghana. We need serious minded intelligent leaders who have a good solid track record of character. Yeah, to trust them ni dede. character. Inti, both your private life and your public life
matters.
Once you are going to be the president of the republic, I think it is incumbent on you and it is deserving of the population. Say, as you sani menina efa. Inti, I've done a lot of interviews.
SOMPA 93.1.
So that I can defend my record both as a person, a professional, and a politician. And then my bidra santimem me started kushia regional executives no and Kumasi 11 constituencies no me free all these 6 by bebre me yefe no mu din kita ho mani je me kasa na bi kresu told them the history bra a kwanya party ya faso ene
ya bedru ha
ene wutie bi no kasa abaka party ne yeti no 2012 was 2016. Yes, Anette. Yes, it's the party 1990-91. Yes, it's a Buzia Dankwa clubs in Adeno. So, Unia Kukudro, Uni to Wache Untimin Konimu Krasa Okasa Kuyo. Because a soldier for Tataing Revolution about 10 years, Yem Penny for P. Johnny, Omunumaya Seno, we are free. B.A. Mensa, Boachima Tres, Siao. Kwam Safwadu adisi no me ba me mo enwie won mo bedwane akwa abrochire adwane bi no akowu. People have gone into exile and died in penury. It took the courage of some and the dedication. That time yet could be emranti adan yakudin cry. That time we school and civil engineer working in a public institution, Ghana Highway Authority, as a young engineer one crying. Na yes so assemble told me earlier me sure say obi anim for the benefit of nkolanunti and that's more majority.
That's right.
We share census na 60% under the age of 40. Somewhere 40 years. Yeah, I say sometimes you born kaye. Until that time now 6 months after the revolution judges me and sujani back nipa bi ko kidnap won do call Bondasi military range ko bon tio hwie petrol gu on so paja gu on so hye wo te nyame na mansuo to da no
ka obia
ka body crack ye hu ka there would have been no trace.
Our papa ka ho
Me papa ka ho
samre no di fie say
me di fie 20. I was a young student. Tech. Yeah, there's that your friend of tech.
Tech.
Your friend
of K University.
Yeah, there's that your friend of tech.
Two or tech never catch you.
There be near me with fear. That time near coffee, coffee, and you may be. I can't say me.
Tina woofy.
To fear me or to table of the Now, Miss Mitty, that your hawk it will be on Amity. Make sure letter. Those days, Nancy said, now, phone. Yeah, which is
Ocho letter na uko posti.
That's sanity.
Any ever frau papa wo nim.
You be catch it and say, Madame colleague Cecilia Crantiado. Oyare. Near the call Ridge Hospital. That I in answer to Castle Road, Ridge. Honest, no, any close in tea. I'm so here and dinko movie. That I know Shempa Boakra. It was Mammy Kofane, chow free, through by, or she shorts white, undershirt white.
My God.
In the middle of the meal, no free one of dear Mika. A coin.
Seni.
And you render the area who you mean the Master crack or da anopa. And now, Mrs. Yvonne Sarkodie, on Justice Sarkodie, so your next door neighbor. Or no, but catch them, Papa said.
93.1.
And run at you, could be a funny Niku. Tea in me frost rack of his papa, a coya.
Uniho.
Because share Diana, city at Tiano Jan. Na I am she kakraba and tea. Busa, mammy. Was it on the first and penny for honor, Homo Dafaco, yeah, Dafaco. And now, me dear Council area house judges to justice do say THE on some papa sitting your penny in a damp no appeal court.
SOMPA 93.1.
Dear Mikakono. Say, I say more Aben. No ringy justice Apalu. But I know a chief justice.
Yeah.
at the time no ka say in fact an adjuno no nya report say Oma befa judges mensa. That was when we realized that Asembi Abba. Now the next 3 days was perhaps the worst days of our life. Because you see every show Musena and Ajuna Akrano, the following Sunday and Sana report Eba say Asemua Esi na cattle
SOMPA 93.1
will be a share.
Fulani for Nibi. Asana ya ne ka no obi abeti ase o ka na ntwie so na okotoso
na nti horses are bodies in about 37 and no asem the rest as they say
it's history.
But sad no Emma so we akola me papa's no Emma damfo on the Dimico Stadium first or conference him or make sure say me conference him because me Korea International ha
Kumasi Royal International
Stadium opposite Amedia. That I know me ko poku am papa say ehene ha. Be conference pim hobi. Nti we be ni me dim komo World War no from 5 ni identity to lose
such
a mentor
and a friend
at the time. First year university, it was a big shock. But me so we be otete ye or ye modest. Na minim so obepese me twakoso. At that time, I could have chosen the easier option. There were opportunities to make example. No, Kofopi Jani, political assignment. Family aketwa odimechi. Onya keto mchen be mfie mienu miensa kofi. Nde no ntimi kra affect no. Nti ye man political exile, asylum. As I am kase odewa. Justice akodi ne ba. Chomnum omo Australia omo makrada. Yeah, but I decided to say I want to remain in Ghana to become the blot on the conscience on this country, so that sa afukasem no ebinsi biem for Ghana. Ne kakra ebetimi ayedi aboma kabima mkabi amemu watintim. Intimi from school I'm a young engineer. A Koba and said that time PNDC say National Commission for Democracy, Justice Anna, that time, that was the time of Cold War, the Berlin Wall had fallen. There was pressure for democratization in Africa. And all the military regimes, not pressure be about so. Papa call around the country, say, Okutiti and Krofano. The net result was that Ghana forced a pekemma the return to democracy and America, the referendum of May 1992 yes a pekemma menkabi amemo sa time na mrantie I started she said be a friend young executive forum.
That's right.
Yeah na yakudi nkran no do na na ifi kumase Peter McMenu no travel agent your friend specialty travels o second come no wo Kamoni Forest Bureau me so me office that time na me office so ben ho na the likes of Kandapa ene or ye Minister of National Security or kan ho or ye adwuma as an accountant electricity corporation Akwesi Agyei Ozi
former
Agyei MP former foreign minister ono de ne office kra na yekusie those days ko meeting I just okusie o
kusheto kro mu meeting
no office bi o Kingsway building mo amunim kran old Kingsway building ho ena nana mare hene a ewo ahimfie say doctor say na konwa din de bia me bo ana me ho kire me kwa akoji
chude bia
ono no ye ochiro book be friend health guide office Okojo Thompson Road opposite Avenida Hotel also ne itimi koshia ewo ho during one of those meetings na Hackman ba ho be ka kire mrante say hu so obi ton dan bi ewo kokomlemle na ye ne mrante yen kan humum ne mpiska ne enkoto ne mfanye party headquarters enu ne ye first headquarters kokomlemle this time the likes of Maximilian Agyei
Maximilian
papa bi no krata shegelege ties
shegelege
Mr. Kwabena so why penimu ade ka aya hame wo yen party MPP mse penifo na abre no ukase e review ebitiase o shegelege ties o se Kwabena o boadu o tadubu anya chipa obakumase a bikai no mjemfi bikai amubedi akono penifo bebre me body a menwe me kan young executives here alanche matin oka ho me Kwabena Agyepong me ka ho ye first chairman e friend no Moses Osebonso attack obeye akrofom chairman kra onso wo ho bosumi bia unya oteku a na de akogu de akotum saa sunsum na nuado tu ho ache enidie ebuo enkabom na de akoboa party no the general secretary then Agyei Mboaten no de aye n'adwuma o party ti me kan we nyina ma nchiriba na hu se those days uni akukudura obere kra sori Agyei say enti say na amaba SOMPA TV o TV na eba ko pe Ghana Broadcasting
ye ma kwan mo akọ
saa time asoja fo ine kura mu pete kutubi kwa Agyei Minister of Information or senior editor of the newsroom e koba say ye hia obi a ye be ye campaign till now yen kope obi obetra national television so no wabo deru ama party saa time na enye easy mpanimfo nyina ye gu madwuma e meeting kese Dr. Kwame Safo Dufie o East Legon and now duru ha say banks nkwa me hwe saa na me sire ewura mutu a wo ko kra ehu that time Kwame na betels me ka say meeting no was here Jacob Bichibilam tell when baby ko no was here Dr. Selby Dr. Kwame Safo do ni penifo bebre Haruna Ata no no camp publicity committee no obey ambassador and say under Mahama papa be a friend ko akupoku no oka alliance for change
yeah
ono so dan no me so me hobby because the previous years no na my year host of sports highlights.
That's right.
That time I brand you.
Oh yes.
I mean feel.
Sports highlights pa. Just Monday no one you be entia. Over there your foreign sports ashe. Yes, but that time sports highlights.
Sports highlights you number did 25 years at the time on national television 1987 I was there for close to a decade. Na intimate me akase me be celebrity ntem.
Yeah no cry. Obi ani Kwabena Agyepong.
Enti ekodru sa no meeting ase ya mpanifo esinti hwan na be kwaye party podcast broadcast na dia. Eso Kwabena una wa brante.
Oso na akasa TV
so. Na obi ani wo goodwill nti una brante de da chinja ene yire ho. Misumi ye adwuma wa ban adwuma mu.
Abeda akoka.
Soja ni nso na te oman so head of state.
Wa
asaba. Okotena TV so na oye party political broadcaster. Ukodru Hall of Technology headquarters one kind. Mpenifo hu no obi adwane.
Nobody wants to associate with
you. Nti ye ka tu hu ache say ye besom to take a risk even at the cost of your professional development as an engineer. Eno ne ebre at that time na hu ankasa. And so before ye beko Congress apeni edubuahin ye de yam rant ene eta Dr. Safo do echi because no free PFP na enim dey happen 1979 na do na feel say edubuahin free US ka ho na ye ntimi the man but edubuahin ya de bi ma Ghana for any so onya kukudro kasa a man say one breaking the culture of silence in the country. Nti my party for no reward no to Abama no mo be the presidential candidate of the MPP. Ade fa esi ya me pese me kana wo mo etie me ni mrante na ebe kai ne se ye to aba no wie ya wo mo ani adubo ha pre nyina ko ni fie command trinkwa in fact Safo adudu yen dodo nanim se me nkola na ta mechi no ni me de wo mo brɛ that time you to ababia obi ani ho be ka say we will Selby camp we will Edubuahin camp we will Safo Edu camp we will Agyei
to say the camp no say mo
party no say nuado enkabom ebuo anidie kasapa na de na say na akrachi for party say kasakra
ehun te enso nei
ni nyina ta Edubuahin chira one masuja for is that time election it is no omanhene
opaque ballot box
ballot box who see the bia shemu see information dey
etiomosu
ene enya na bonti o
e she classroom na wakoto
odia gra commandos in a control polling station
ombabuwo
iwia on pekra in declare no yes the coalition center wo be ma di chire na the here ko si Jackson Park
yeah di ba ma no wa fa ne sa
akwa the choco
e kai pa that time you society asafonti
that's right
you go good Jackson Park na yakohwe bi anwumre
yeah one crime Independence Square ye board kakraka results by we ni kakraka na K2 South be boom ye yem say na na da no
obi apel baby fire
say obi apel baby fire enti ye say that be interim electoral commission na ho I think Professor Joseph for rebuating na the way ye chinchimi yesa register no cry Rollins me also me or the previous registered year district level elections are CMP no
and also beto
on say who say nkola na di Professor Dubois omo doso o kaso obi a 18 years 19 e be twa fa na so ye rally kese bi e was circle me ni CBS Ghana. It took Professor Dubois over 2 hours to move from bus stop to the rally ground at circle. Sea of heads ma the helicopters see na Rollins na team dey minim dey but helicopter na so sa the last rally yeah ewo circle ewo nkai abai echiaye say any sometimes so say Rollins no fit say onu be mi anti ye presidential in November na ye parliamentary no December
yeah
koba na sa na yesu enya no nti ye call National Executive Committee Ejumapa na MPP Young Executive Forum we were recognized as a wing of the party at the time. Tinye with 2 slots or national executive so non-voting slots but ye quiet me chira adwen kan asem me Kwabena Agyepong ene nua penny Alan Kojo Chirematin when ne representing YF was I today ye meeting kese say ye beto aba ni bia na ye nto no meeting bia akola barely 30 years Agyei Director Chakonwam Adubu ahentene nchen General Secretary Agyei Boatente ho party mpenifo Binsale mu frisire mu aba Sykes Peter Lajete Moro Salifu free Upper East Ishaku free Upper West COP free Tamale nipa no mpenifo na behia Dr. Kwame Donkofo Joa CO Nyano nom ne Stephen Kreku no mu abehia
Kukudam
na yemrante na eja yese da bi ekwan a Rollins de Adubu ahan afa so de nka ye benya me ento aba no bi penifo ne fra santin de hom se ka eto ya ko parliament bi tinanko on be se eto aba Mr. Kofo no ma no se hom kwa etwimo ende edem nti ya na se da bi we want to send a strong message to the rest of the world say ekwan a omde afa so ti ama wiase nyina ehu se yempa. Let's boycott the parliamentary elections. Okay. Boycott to parliamentary election. And which you know, after a few years, no BJ Darocha signed a major press conference. Said, well, we want to do business again. Until we want to come back into the first parliament and then count.
Yeah, it's true.
And count. And that was when a be a friend inter-party advisory committee at IPAC, no. And also a sans mammy said the electoral reforms na fini started. No ma transparent ballot boxes buy. I feel the say I don't know as a tuna bonting.
Go be a who
and I feel parties no crazy agents. That was the first time allow access. In 1996 was the first time a be a friend of strong rumor. And we that is a
say strong woman so more Agyepong ma ko inside haba and then for honomo
who near can who in Timikaze 96 maybe oho Vincent Assise so hobby or no
former education minister contemplations GTV
yep for press secretary
baba da no baba contemplations
right
the kai
the Vincent wo ho ne guzitano no rante guzi so mi senior one fancy timini no and akwasi prat no so CPP for no so ho that was the election a delay or Ghana hapa.
Yes.
Bare 5 days
96.
96.
Yes.
Yeah, winning him say a way. Nkrofo is a strategy. One more keep voter results no. No more chema bantman no nyina ba. Say no we are no dibia kan ho. Dibi Vincent Asisi say Kwabena. Afena the results from our World Bank no ba. That was the time I'm for started refer to voter region
as the World Bank.
Hey, afa vote ba. Inya 500 no more than 60,000. Now we am enti say minim say result slips now all electoral commission there I refuse to sign any of them because as part of the reforms and
we heard it said Agyepong is refusing to sign.
Me sign because we try to some frame and crop on a face na mobile phone started be we
enko
enye easy
SOMPA 93.
the obenya no say abunu atoru em okokra o ye be ma ko gina voter region say we MPP ni in 96 enye easy until result be be an match or some sign. Reason I cannot validate what is on this paper. I'm not able to get through to my people in the voter region. And as far as back at them say around with the mupani when I court I said was only mupache say
court
Americans ni adi guku for so ofie or accept it. Yamranti any so say mempri but eventually say Mr. Kofo the diplomat or say wajiatu. Enu ti emu bi kra anya ye de. Nti wo bekaya your next primaries.
SOMPA 93.1.
And you must sign because Professor Dubois, because you chose stolen verdict. A coyer na cheater for no say a stolen verdict near accepted result in 1992. The SS and in the 96. In terms of today. That time na well no Mr. Kofo no na murum
no ye na juma
no na masie near the by 95 na penny ba ko so na in charge of fundraising. Kwame Pienim say ono so
ebeso
prayer dey ni ono dey no Supreme Court ne no delay Congress no nti by 96 e koye Congress
93.1.
Guduru Akufo na wa famu a Mr. Akufo na wa wini nti olusu 96 ne sa na tafo no hu say hey ye kase e ko twen till 2000 san na koye primaries wa hwe na Akufo adomu abefamu nti when I did early Congress, that was the first time.
Early Congress.
Early Congress.
In 98.
Tini chimbe anymore. No crown, it was just a window of 6 weeks. National Council say I'm oh yeah, a year call elections you become the preeminent figure in your party.
That's right.
But will be a tawachi.
SOMPA
Still you are seen
as somebody.
And then maybe I mean who because is just a repetition of history. 96 was the first time I called Parliament. You only probably I think 67, if my memory serves me right. Mumi and Sampen in Yaku could dress on bedding and hardware. Because we don't know a cover beer, almost a power. That's right. Crunchy. No Asante Regional Secretary, no Sanwo, Asante Achim South, MP. Next door neighbor to Abua Kwasata, Abua Kwani, Tiwany, one constituency, near Chim. A friend of Yao Benin Dakon, quantity surveyor. Anna Christine Church at Cape Coast. The Ranty and Sir may mobilize a young executive do not the majority say Kotan and Adwachi. When I'm due on him, Mr. Victor Newman, the director of Onsuka,
a Jubilee House.
And then me no need D at the end. And I call Far Brigadier Numensa so. No, I be a candidate 1996 for MPP Winiba. Emma will lose marginally to Mike Hammer. Mofu said no campaign and Koyenti wanted to bring some military precision.
SOMPA 93.1.
You know, men son and I ate no can Kufado campaign. It's a call NDC no.
This is the same meals and MC when I down from
down to no court.
They know MPP Nyankasa. I mean, during all those times. Enti, you could do Sunyai. And that time candidate Kufo defeated. Adia Bakwa, Mr. Kufo, me person me come party for no tea. A kind of the what I refer to him as a quintessential Democrat. In spite of the fact that you movie openly we were campaigning saying you free so. Who say Abrante from a Dubai time or two no watch or ye Jumapa, ding or the public image. The goodwill in the country. Inti Oshishane the campaign. That time na the campaign manager na inti say Agyei Saka Nusa no move ko NDC. To the ma a friend is saying Jake which bilamte. Jake tsunami na 90 because of sports. 1990 World Cup. The first time I never football at Ghana for when live. No, it was some of the innovations I brought to sports broadcasting. Into one no 90 because of the sponsorship syndication. The boy my BBC the 2 year for feed, you know. The Jake say come in spite of support to Akufo I don't know the bra. Na be handle media nema. Although we didn't have a director of communications in title, I was the de facto director of communications for the campaign. Inti many nipa me fa phone frame Mr. Akufo. Ono asasuma say kokotna strong room ho in 2000. Unya gidi ewo. Me na me friend no. Say Mr. Akufo, you are now elected as the president of the Republic.
Your first call I will now. Who now friend
from the Electoral Commission. Now we did that. I won't feel the other end of the line. Inti obey man penny so kwamna once opportunity and so we will be away adwuma say obey me dem betra me nchen as press secretary to the president for over 5 years adwuma my rank was that of a level of a minister
and you exhibited prowess
say nipa mo na mbeka adwuma me di man
oh yes
obi antimi amputu even a spot of debt on my share in my close to 6 years working at the presidency. Presidency, you are privy to the most delicate information.
Yeah.
Obi anti bibi da se bibi apie free.
A leaky.
And
from Watson report leaky from Jubilee House.
Bibia sada ma. Those days any G8 so G8.
Yeah.
The meeting of the biggest economic powers
G8 summit.
G8 summit. It was Savannah, Georgia, hosted by George Bush. Mitimbi, Abrante, team president. They call 2005 in Gleneagle, Scotland. Mitimbi.
We are sing combo.
Which say you are privy to all the delicate information. A Dakra you call Liberia. Mukai arrangement. President Kofoye no ECOWAS and Tekofa Charles Taylor. Those are the things you keep in your head.
But today, easily people let it out.
Can't say because and someone in Nipabi orchestrated a tia metam and be general secretary of the party. In fact, Mampeni Kufo in 2008 on my order of Volta.
Yeah.
To which media or the OV.
OV order of Volta.
That's right. Now, around that time, if you say party, they say be a crazy for party. A general secretary or near my oil and if you said there be. You ain't me ma as you do get here and ye standard. And Kasa in Chini the attempt near the no. That was the beginning of that. The poisoning of the political atmosphere. I didn't get here. You unprintable words say in Nipa 17. Yeah.
Nipa do Akromfo do so.
Me catch them say do say Kasa way. If say we politics. Now so it will come back to bite us later. Because when you denigrate politicians because of political expediency, it causes the loss of respect by the general population to politicians. And no nene abubwa utie Kasa will reduce na. Usi afem. Kasa kesi kasa ma mrantie na chimanfo no omo inspired some person politicians no. Ene adani edidi atem ebi cry phrase baby with sharp teeth yes there's a wa no ding no ya
the atem near
so we politics yes sana mpanifo no mbe start adwuma ko ma petunum etete yen na wukunum sana lodge yes sana mutete yen edi buo ne ani die ma mpanifo nanso no kra no de e be kire oseka. At that time, say be nipa or from the anam person beka na sembebe. Nanso so as general secretary you are the custodian of the party's rules and regulations and procedures. Never be wa enye say we. Ni senti ambe general secretary ntina make a kire we o. me na my some party na so na me take position of party no da
3.1.
me cost strong room na me campaign manager anya hwe so me na namte because party no me some party no ko takrade ma ko Cape Coast ko me kwashiga ye ko who e ko training no because me na me ko electoral commission me ko ye electoral reforms they say me ko
training
party
agents
on how to do the collation near there cause those days 1996 car bi ani eku tantan bi ko ya overheating e wo friends say motorway so the enemy titi bi kasa bi e free baby say e bi no my cars in 1996 to the sense 3 million in 1991 Ghana ha hey mo fact checking na mo fact checking banks no tias say MPP ko je bosia $3 million 1991 na 91 na pa ati nkwane ati
hey
na ati
somebody na komra kai
asema make sure no metitin some people are distorting the history of this party me dey na me wo I know the truth about this party na 92 na ne ma din ama
SOMPA 93.1.
penny ba ko ofri be kwai friend ko fin team men on the talk adu wahin a team dia campaign that time na Land Cruiser unhu bi Ghana ha en kwa na be $50,000 and so ene omun se munyan kwala munim niema na bintie kensem gum na bi no so agi say that is the truth. The history of this party will, some of us will never allow it to be distorted. There is no way, it's not true. Say party koji bosia $3 million. Nanado, no ne campaign manager do boy otiasi. Ngo busa no. Kwame Pienim otiasi. No ne fundraising. Am do boy otiasi. Hackman tiasi. 91. Na Rollins tisu bank bena bema 3 million. Na 91 at today's age is about 30 million or 300 million.
And that $3 million is a huge one.
Me can say because ye me ko tamale. Me could do tamale. And sana me ko tamale. Na me can me pese me can so. Say John catch the Ghana for nyina. So ndo support candidate back. I me catch them say me unyesa. When you are a general secretary, you have to be seen to be neutral. A brain as soon as obeto aba, no akoto ama de open. Ghana ha IGP to aba, CDS to aba, electoral commissioner kra to aba. Nenso so, wo mo bi gina bontin kase me party ni. Na me support we. Me kasa chire party for me call around the country. Last week me call Tamalia, mabenya
konshia
kese wo nsawem. Nyame nko Land Cruiser metime poor faso right off
3.1.
with that 37 party politics the more ya o omanhene me sim panimfo bi e besra me wo mo ni me ho me da hospital me nima ho ne ade no wo mo ko duru tamale a no the propaganda control se mabubu into my paralyzed
omo to
abama me ntimi nya adwuma omo ko hu se nkrofo no beto abama me enura me duru be kwai obi kan say in fact me duru ha me wevu me nsa no ema omunya sunsum se me enye no kre
atam krana
ma chichire me nsa se nti doctor nso o ma me nko na me nya information from me campaign team so yes so we dey bra
omo hu keke
omo ko hu me refer me na my decide se me nko because it was very bad nenso so Saturday anopa na me say doctor no bo me pane na me chichire me nsa enam kodru tamale me dru o se wo hwe ya eno an se me kotwa me yesei hoji ye me san kotra ka mu ko tamale airport na beda 37 back senkrofo tuesika senkrofo ye din all the things
to the election at Tamale now what 37
me that 37
and it to abama
me massively it wasn't even close
yeah
so eno am say bo nipa bi hu e bo nipa bi hu because mukaya chairman soa onya na konwa Paul Afoko ye beto aba no kwa nipa bi twa asem bi to no so ema ye de call Interpol okay my Interpol the report by say entisa nti yemienu kɔwe sa no na afede ayasem betie si so nipa bia ye meeting otamale na ombe ye adwuma me ahwe me dem kasa gro no mudie enso so
nti saa asam na ba se memo ma ye adwuma me ahwe no eno na pie
afede wo ha na orchestration obi ama ye adwuma with dignity and respect and integrity at the presidency for close to 6 years obi anya me ho asem wanka no afede wo be ye general secretary na ye kekensem ni nyina because Ghana has all kind of cray now pepepe ye now we firm
SOMPA 3.1
na bia ne wonya time one here Christ we dwe because o pese we frontal na o kind of cray me so de sana papa tete me methodist ni very modest man but o mami hu se wiase sika nye no na ye bibia edimpa yesne ahonya. That has been my political philosophy. So, me said there be party politics and let's strengthen the constituencies in the 205 constituencies because me the politics no. So constituencies no one they and a party one. They are the frontline soldiers of our struggle. Abano, you to no constituency, you declare a constituency. The akabia kikabo my arithmetic keke. Region ye kabo mo ha. Enti se constituencies no wa hoden na party no wa hoden. And I'm just the party na chia chef from Medubo in time no penny for time no cause of politics there. If we be handling charges enti they would sika kwa. Ense bia sika no be fam no. Ensa no tiso kakra. Omo edit sika no ne edit. By the time I be do for one here.
Oh ya na asa.
So we took a decision said there be Emma party for EMA account every EMA account 275 constituencies. That was the first time in the party's history a more BAB account using our national bank, which is Ghana Commercial Bank. Now timer you mobilize you almost the first time a more 10,000 Ghana cedis. Say omumfanye from wejuma when you sika from parliamentary primaries registration near day. Sa sika no koyana problems no heighten because a binum feel say
SOMPA 3.1
sika bia say fa omo so na aden am this sika call directly to constituency ti gangi up eti you be hu an say you sika party sika without the knowledge of the chief executive of the party, who is the general secretary and the party's chairman, Skana Kupie, Eco Bank. Chairman, sorry, Kokase, the Eco Studio on par. Yes, I didn't know Kokasa. Na boy bidi, Assemna court. Na chairman is
SOMPA 3.1
boy no class, no, I didn't know him. Martini Dean, no Agyei here, Jumani adi, but no, no personal later than be home. I feel her petition about. Am I a ho? You better petition so about. If you be a friend, you offer a crown for me, you know. Your petition against Chairman Paul Afoko. Say, you to no free ideas. Parties or rules and regulations. So, if you even want to petition the Chief Justice, you send it to the Judicial Secretary. Unkase Chief Justice nti unfanko.
SOMPA 3.1
No petition was filed at the secretariat of the party. Yebetin kotia disciplinary committee ye hearing to omo free party chairman. Of course, justifiably the party chairman refused. I said Debbie mini party titreni. See assembly or kra no bia bom ko adu am famra steering committee. Ni hwem said the lawyer for Kano prima facie on the face of it.
Be established.
Se bibi wo hodia na yen ya catch the disciplinary committee say omo mfre nipa kro no
SOMPA 3.1
na disciplinary committee on your own you don't have initial powers of
to
jurisdiction. Chance say you've been authorized by the steering committee to do so. And so MPP kwa ye boy ho samrane a lawyer foko ku dam ye per rule of law ye to constitution to nchen. went through this irregular procedure. I said, Chairman na disciplinary committee are making recommendations say yen suspending indefinitely because one. Now after that recommendation from the friend disciplinary committee no. So they can't act on their own. Yes, the back. Almost so embassy the bright chairman because on tia kunyum. And it is that time near because conference be war. MPP every 4 or 5 years, a international conference, they bring all the diaspora parties together. This time it was being hosted by the Holland Party in 2015. And I catch the pause, you're ready, Nianco. Pause, there be, come now. Matisse, Polafuco, na making. Matisse, say me to pay. Ombe, my first vice now organizing meeting because I'm not in the jurisdiction. Nah, one more accepted recommendation.
SOMPA 93.1.
Nah. Etumi egu okay na mkase bia nya no fe nti o se abrochi no onko nti me ne candidate that time ne ato presidential primary say we my candidate Kufuado are winning by 93 or 94% in spite of the fact that omaye propaganda say yempese obe winning because party no say grassroots no pe obi a wo ye ho hwe a enye yesa wo ye chairman no wo ye president wo ye sano grassroots when they decide who they want. Yeah, 94% of the electorate. Timothy Tisro namusi wineko. Omo hwe man almost
93.1.
Omo hwe man almost remo. Enti ye kodru Amsterdam ye wie bibia SMN candidate no to asoko. Washington. Na ye ko Canada. Ye me ko tinkotia and emergency executive committee has been convened in our absence. Chairman no one crime. No na authorize here. And so your constitution says at the time it's only on the say so of the chairman now betimia organizing
such a meeting.
The chairman normally will authorize the general secretary to invite. Some meeting na mekano. Chairman Ankobi, General Secretary Ankobi, Candidate Akufuado Ankobi, the running mate Baumia Ankobi, Minority Leader as he was then known, Chairman Ankobi, the Deputy Dominic Nitiwula Ankobi, former President Kufuor Ankobi, Women Organizer Niho, Second Vice Krabs Ankobi. How can you possibly constitute a national executive committee without the top brass of the party?
But it happened.
And proceed to take the most far-reaching decision in the history of the party. Say, Chairman, I have to abandon ye two nesinje. As same way, yeah, you see a democracy, ye take commitment can be any embrace. And so it happened in the MPP, a party of lawyers and a lawyer for Kukudam, ye nimran ye tumran train. Say, ye pesi be two. No, me, you are breaching and I disagreed with Bob. A candidate now and they made it say also Ghana. Mean to me no to and say menino to quite ako Washington. Na and near Masai Koso Ghana as the General Secretary have to go and find out what is happening. Timijano America, London. He wasn't happy, but me in life I have to do what is good to my mind and firm and fair. So as I said, the Kosono. One only de facto leader of the party. Party unya beye flag bearer. Una we although your constitution no some way there, but everybody accepts that the flag bearer you are the leader. And you cannot tell me say the ekoso unim. The ekoso no so enye me manu ti ase so say me ninyi ho the ekoso no so enye. Ti misamechi na mba Ghana. I'm called President Kufuor straight. How do we deal with it? When our president no one here soon under finance him because one is against the rules and regulations of the MPP, but it has happened. And
several course my goodness, wrap it up, Mavi.
No, it's important that I tell some of these things.
Yes.
You can.
Sports for the crowd, 10 minutes be that.
I can. Sports for Montuobo. Yeah, sports now, Mama. It's important. Now, yes, and although the course no nyeno yema Paul onye appeal no on the on go through the process first no something yes no pa ansa na ojato o file appeal na mbo steering committee amane ne catch National Council ye set date your constitution so file appeal will be a friend stay of execution and so a lawyer for him the original decision no and you stay
it's quashed
not quashed but it stayed
until would kosoye wadwuma kopim say appeal no be kase
that's right
what in kunima na what in cho
in that intervening period na electoral commission for a major EB Alisa Hotel announcing the new reforms say koye EB what Kufrodua timi kona Paul say Paul focus opeso on meko meaning say it was controversial but I say once we file appeal no there you've satisfied the provisions of the constitution so the stay of execution is in place in Tiyanko I still recognize you as chairman you could do television cameras cover me
SOMPA 3.1
I've publicly repudiated the decision of the National Executive Committee.
That was the beginning of your woes.
That is the beginning of my woes. That is the beginning of my woes. Now the year me one cry say and the day yeah National Council meeting no I treaty appeal. Mampeni Kufo no abai. Be two council nefo. Say Mampeni Kufo the gentle giant. Maybe bia or the abotre. Me dey dan kwam to na me bu my yi kakra se keso de nsa pimpim table so kasa de ekoso na nye enso so otu mfo se da bi party de di nipa na ye ka nipa bom
SOMPA 3.1
nti omo hwe sa asem ni no kasa on pese obehya omo so nti no okọ oja ndo otu mfo unum so opie ya na chairman ba kwa so one of the regional chairman the president na kan ya tisu emfanya ju immediately I'm sorry as general secretary that was when at the table high table me general secretary acting chairman Freddie Blay candidate Akufo-Addo Vice Baumia to my left chairman Sabonsu minority leader and I'm saying I'm more candidate and just appeal no be no first one say I had gone to great lengths to prevail on the chairman to file that appeal never through the party process although the is not according to the process. That's why doing the then there's no point intermediate. I'm abstaining from further participation. Because my abstaining candidate Akufo-Addo say no so or abstaining. Or can say we are the vice so or abstaining. Two other regional secretaries. That's what can say almost abstain. Name a woman organizer crowd onya kukudromo. Otiko. Was one abstaining. Or better no what to it here. Na nko record book so tutia. Wo mo ye no enye ehun sunsun so be party dachi. And so because the whole thing had been orchestrated, they voted to affirm the and no actually nature say any media
oh no the second
I bet yes you say enyi Kwabena Agyepong we ka say party na can for party and na suspend the afoko na no oh before long not two accounts so the petition in free Ghana if free UK ba ko the adreba ba ko the efum dankwa minimum say bisi na make say and also the same irregular procedure near the aba na akopie disciplinary committee chairman afede ono frame eja so methodist penny pa e me din se obe frame a me se bunenim tia enso minim sa de amoye enya mrakwan crab si wonko Paul anko na me yese me ko na chese me no mo ntem kra no aye basa me koya hayifo na aye petition obi anzio o masuma nipa mienu na di petition ba minim se ese nka ye tu sase me
say the end product say ye yi Kwabena Agyepong
ye wie ya kamo da mu yi me kra na mtim ba bia nka hwe o munim se assembly true ni honti yen se no nka ho na propaganda ka wo tim John Mahama na Ibrahim
Mahama na share ba ni share na yiri school
me yiri o call 2012 February na Mills na president na yenim se Mills be July ma John Mahama be president yes in 2015 as part of the package say men say party no entino yama me scholarship nyankopon ompe bone anche bia na auditor general de omo anya scholarships nyina bae mu hu Lawrence Agyepong bi di wom
debi
mu party for mpanifo bi ye MP say opposition e bi di minister om na kogije scholarships e kosua de o Harvard eno kra ma mo subo mi ametim ba bi yen kasem yen pam akare ense nipa watu no ho ache asum oman no nti asem we make because I want the party people to know the suffering that some of us have endured man kasa nyese because the only NMF party who don't me free her in December 2015 we had conducted all the primaries of this party with seamlessly naka fope nti 2016 yenya 169
na ye juma
pa ye hyehyɛ gu ho
ene ko ba sa
ye free so one more buy so mo ye primaries see hu ba bi ade na kodu asem no
ba be fancy ana
important sometimes and that is why my vision for this country and that's miracle because of what you were talking about these mining situation say me share two MPP former first vice chairman MPP
former MP
at radio so I'm saddened. What is that? What politics has become?
We are not done with the interview.
Okay.
I'm going to continue with you, and it will be played on radio.
Oh,
Temasi, it's a meno better. So now, I say, well, only me a Juma, Emirates, also Peja, Obi, so a better. I'm going to continue with you now.